What if I told you that you could make almost anyone like you, trust you, and want to be around you, without saying a single clever thing? That the secret to profound connection isn't in your words, but in a hidden network of cells inside your brain that you can activate on command. This isn't a cheesy pickup line. This is a biological cheat code. This is called the mirroring effect. And it works because our brains are fundamentally lazy. They are survival machines, constantly scanning the environment for one thing: what is safe and familiar. Anything that's different or unpredictable triggers a tiny, subconscious alarm bell. But when your brain sees something that looks, acts, and feels like itself, it relaxes. It trusts. It forms a bond. The engine behind this entire phenomenon is a specific set of brain cells discovered by scientists in Italy. They are called mirror neurons. Think of them as the Wi-Fi of your brain. They don't just fire when you perform an action, like picking up a coffee cup. They fire in the exact same way when you watch someone else pick up a coffee cup. For a fraction of a second, your brain isn't just observing the action, it's experiencing it. It's creating a shared reality. This shared neural experience is the foundation of empathy, understanding, and most importantly, rapport. When you subtly mirror someone, you are sending a powerful, nonverbal signal directly to their brain that says, "I am like you. I get you. You are safe with me." Their brain receives this signal, and before they can even logically process it, they start to feel a sense of comfort and connection with you. So, how do you use this? Let's talk about dating. You're on a date. Instead of panicking about what to say next, just observe. If they lean forward on their elbows to tell a story, wait a few seconds, and then lean forward too. If they gesture with their right hand, use your own right hand to gesture later in the conversation. If they speak at a calm, slow pace, match that pace. You are synchronizing your nervous systems. This builds attraction on a primal level that is 1,000 times more powerful than any witty joke. Now, let's apply this to a high-stakes business negotiation. Your boss or a client is tense. They're sitting back, arms crossed, looking skeptical. Your instinct is to be open and friendly, to lean in. Don't. That creates a mismatch. Instead, for a brief moment, adopt a similar, more reserved posture. Then, when you speak, gently mirror the rhythm of their speech. This tells their defensive brain that you're not a threat. As they feel more understood, you will literally see their body language soften. And that is when you can gently open up your own posture, leading them to a more collaborative state. But, you must follow one critical rule. Do not be a parrot. If you copy every single move the second they do it, they will notice. And it will feel creepy and manipulative, instantly destroying all trust. The key is subtlety and delay. Wait 2 to 4 seconds. Don't copy everything, just one or two key elements, their posture, their energy level, or a specific hand gesture. The goal isn't to be their identical twin, it's to be their echo. So here is your protocol for the next 7 days. I want you to try this just once in a low-stakes situation. A conversation with a barista, a coworker, or a friend. Choose one channel to mirror, their posture, their rate of speech, or their energy level. Just one. Observe them, and gently sync with them. Don't force it. Don't overthink it. Just tune into their frequency. You are not manipulating them. You are simply speaking your brain's most ancient and powerful language, the language of connection.